Hey everyone, and welcome to another Tough Shed Live stay-at-home show. Today we are coming at you live from a customer backyard. We've got an installation today. Just a reminder that while our locations are temporarily closed, you can certainly schedule a virtual appointment online, get a consultation there, even a virtual site check. Our team is here to help in any way possible. So today we are in our customer Russ's backyard. He is getting a 10 by 12 TR700 from our Sundance Series line at the Home Depot. You can learn more about that at homedepot.com/toughshed. So first things first, the installers are getting started with the very first step, putting together the 2x6 galvanized steel foundation. That's always the first step. We want to make sure you've got a good strong base for your building. So I will let them get to it. So our galvanized steel foundation is really something that sets us apart from the competition. It's a great base for a building. Obviously, it's moisture resistant, keeps that shed off the ground, and gives you a good strong base. We don't have warped floors that way. And So as you can see, it's really incredible how this floor just comes together. It just pops right in, it interlocks, and that way you've got a great sturdy base on top of those 2x6 galvanized steel floor joists. Hey everybody, welcome back. So since we last were here, the crew has gotten the flooring all leveled and everything. They set it in to fit our specs. They did use a few blocks and shims. While it did look level when they came in, it was just a little bit out, so our crew fixed that. And now the walls are going up. I always think it's incredible how quickly a building comes together at this point. I mean, just a few hours ago, not even a few hours ago, it was just a blank slate in this backyard, and now the building's almost up. So we've just got a few more walls. You can also see the door is set up and ready right over here. They got the transom window in the door. A great upgrade, one of my favorites. And that's where we're going. So just as easy as that, they are getting in the final wall, which is pretty incredible. It came together just in a matter of minutes, and just like that, there's basically a shed here. So it's a pretty quick process. Again, this is a 10 by 12 TR700 from the Home Depot line. There it goes right into. So then looking inside here, you can see that there are the 2x4 studs placed 16-inch on center. And if you look at that, it's just like how your house is constructed, which is pretty incredible. They also have the double top plates up there. That's just another way to keep this building strong, make sure it's standing tough. Next, they're going to be putting up the trusses, and then pretty soon after that, up goes the roof, and then the building will be basically done. I know I kind of sound like I'm geeking out about this, but I'm always so excited to watch a building go up. It's incredible to see a 10 by 12 space like this go up so quickly and be built so strong. Okay, so we're gonna take a little break from the live as they are finishing up putting on the shingles, or sorry, putting up the trusses. and then we'll come right back when they're putting on the rest of the roof. So we'll see you soon. Welcome back. We're glad to have you back here. Now they are putting on the door. This is kind of an exciting part. We're very excited about our door. We've got the patented handle. We've got the patented hinges rated up to 500 pounds each. Kind of the thing that we get the most excited about. So we wanted to show you guys the door coming right on. Hours later, the building's finished, and our customer Russ over here has a great new storage shed for his backyard. So we're gonna chat with him a little bit. So first things first, you got a new shed. How do you feel?
Oh, it feels awesome. I like the way it looks. They did a great job on it.
Perfect. And so then why did you decide to get this shed?
We're really working hard to try and upgrade our yard, and we needed more room to bring in more tools and do more work.
That makes sense. So I noticed you do have a couple little sheds back over here. Yep. What is the plan with that?
We're going to empty those and they're going to go away.
Perfect. So definitely a backyard upgrade. So let's take a little look at this. This is your first time seeing it. Oh, we do want to point out Russ decided to do the second coat of paint himself. So if you do see any little nicks and marks, those will be taken care of. And here we are, the 10 by 12. Can hop right in here. So plenty of space in here. Do you have any plans for the interior of this?
We have a couple of metal shelves that we're going to put in so we can stack up. Trying to figure out where we maybe put some bike hooks so we can hang our bikes up in here.
Perfect.
Keep them out of the way and out of the weather.
Yes. Well, awesome. Well, this is going to be a great storage solution for you. I'm happy you chose Tough Shed. When you were picking out this building, how did you decide on this style, these colors, that kind of thing?
We went a few times to Home Depot and kind of walked around the different layouts and looked and talked and came home and talked some more. When we finally went in to make the purchase, they actually let us get on the computer and choose the colors and put this model up and see what the colors were going to look like, and we could see how it was going to compare to our house and made our decision that way.
That's awesome. So pretty easy process there. That's great. I think that about covers it for us. I'm just excited to see this finished building. I mean, 3 hours later, you got a shed.
They did it really fast.
Yeah, about as quick as it gets when you get a new shed.
Yeah.
So we are going to let you guys take a quick tour of this without me talking. That way you can get the full view. And there we go. That's what it takes to get a new Tough Shed building installed in your backyard.
Thank you very much.